The AI employee never gets tired. It never sleeps, never takes a vacation, and never asks for a salary increase. While humans rest at night, AI continues working around the clock, processing information faster than any person ever could. Across the world, businesses are entering a new era. Instead of hiring large teams for repetitive work, many companies are introducing AI agents that can answer emails, organize documents, analyze reports, and even communicate with customers in seconds. Imagine receiving thousands of customer messages every single day. For a human team, it could take hours or even days to respond. But an AI agent can handle them almost instantly, giving businesses the ability to operate 24 hours a day. This technology is already transforming industries like healthcare, banking, manufacturing, customer service, logistics, and software development. Doctors use AI to analyze medical scans. Banks detect fraud in real time, and factories rely on intelligent systems to improve production with incredible precision. In warehouses, AI coordinates robots, manages inventory, predicts demand, and plans deliveries more efficiently than traditional systems. Airports, shipping companies, and global supply chains are also becoming smarter with the help of AI-powered automation. One of the biggest advantages of AI agents is speed. They can process enormous amounts of data in seconds, discover hidden patterns, and provide recommendations that help businesses make better decisions. Instead of replacing every human worker, AI often removes repetitive tasks so people can focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation. Major technology companies are investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence because they believe AI agents will become a normal part of everyday business. From small startups to global corporations, the race to build smarter AI systems has already begun. The future workplace will likely be a collaboration between humans and intelligent machines. People will continue creating ideas, solving complex problems, and making important decisions, while AI handles repetitive work with speed and accuracy. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful, the companies that learn to use it wisely may gain a huge advantage over their competitors. This is not science fiction anymore. It is happening right now, and it could change the way the entire world works. The question is no longer whether AI will become part of our lives. The real question is how quickly the future will arrive, and are we ready for it?
As artificial intelligence becomes more advanced, factories are transforming into highly efficient, smart environments. Machines communicate with each other, detect problems before they happen, and continuously improve production without stopping. What once required hundreds of workers can now be coordinated by intelligent AI systems with incredible accuracy. Communication is also changing. Modern AI can instantly translate conversations between different languages, allowing companies to connect with customers and partners from almost anywhere in the world. Language barriers that once slowed global business are disappearing faster than ever before. Behind every powerful AI agent is an enormous amount of computing power. Every second, these systems process billions of pieces of information, searching for patterns that humans could never discover on their own. This ability allows businesses to make smarter and faster decisions. Imagine walking into an office where almost every repetitive task is handled automatically. Reports are created in seconds, emails are answered instantly, meetings are organized, and schedules are optimized without human effort. Employees can focus on solving creative problems instead of repetitive work. For business owners, this creates a huge opportunity. Companies that adopt AI can reduce costs, improve customer service, and increase productivity. Even small businesses now have access to technology that was once available only to the world's largest corporations. AI is also becoming one of the most powerful marketing assistants ever created. It can analyze customer behavior, predict buying patterns, generate advertisements, write content, and even recommend the best business strategies based on real-time data. Around the world, researchers continue developing faster AI chips and more intelligent models. Every new generation becomes more efficient, more capable, and more useful for businesses across every industry. From healthcare to transportation, from education to finance, artificial intelligence is quietly becoming the invisible engine behind modern society. Many of the services we use every day are already powered by AI, even if we don't always notice it. Smart cities are another exciting example. Traffic lights, public transportation, energy systems, emergency services, and security cameras can all work together through intelligent AI networks, making cities safer, faster, and more efficient. Inside large corporations, executives are no longer asking whether they should use AI. Instead, they are asking how quickly they can integrate it before competitors move ahead. The race has already begun, and companies that adapt faster may gain a significant advantage. Every month, AI becomes more powerful. Every year, its impact grows larger. Experts believe this technology will influence almost every profession in the coming decades. Some jobs will change dramatically, while entirely new careers will appear that do not even exist today. The future will not belong only to humans or only to machines. It will belong to those who learn how to work together with intelligent technology. Those who understand AI today may become the leaders of tomorrow. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream. It is already transforming businesses, industries, and everyday life across the globe. And this is only the beginning. The next decade could become the biggest technological revolution